Hearts to Hearts, the Chase MV. Now, Hearts to Hearts, from what I've been told, I haven't really done a lot of research on. This is SM's new girl group, right? Supposedly, Flo, the trio, the UK girl group trio, wrote this song or had a part in this, in creating this. That's awesome. I think they might say it in the comments. Let me double check. Let's see. Does anybody say it in here? I don't think so. But I've been told that H2H. It's 8 members. Oh my god, 8 members. And they're like a new SM girl group. All right, well, I like Flo. Oh, I love Flo, bro. Oh, so good. Well, without further ado, is captions on? English is already up there. In 3, 2, 1, let's get it. What the hell is that? No, we're not gonna just ignore that, are we? What? Is that supposed to be a miniature horse? Nah, that has to be AI editing or some type of shit. Whoa. Ooh. It's keychain. Drink what? And I'll see what? Oh, hell no. What y'all drinking? How old are y'all? Ooh. Okay. Oh. Hold up. Off the bat, it got my attention. The beat, the way they flow. Sparkle, sparkle, what? Ooh, vocals. It's so like low-key but catchy at the same time. Nothing like crazy, no hypeness about it. It's already hype on its own. It sells itself basically. Harmonies. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Okay, production. Oh, okay. Who's producing this? Yeah. Interesting editing choices too. Like the whole pause. Like, what is it? When they were taking a selfie? I don't know any of the members' names just of yet. Like the freeze. Wow, that's interesting. Almost like flashes. I love the way you love the chase. Like even the change up, it's not even that huge of a change up, but it is at the same time. Do you know what I'm saying? Like it keeps the same vibe, but there is a change up. Like Hey. Ooh, that edit too? A lot of transitioning editing. Oh, what the hell? Yeah. It's forever is interesting. The vocals are nice. The MV's weird, but I like that the MV's weird. So there's literally 8 of them, right? name of the group is H2H, Hearts to Hearts. Yes. Okay, SM. Wait, hold up. Hold up. Applause for that. Oh, is this their official debut? Hearts to Hearts. Oh, and I like the symbol. What is that symbol of? It's like a butterfly? Like butterfly. Oh, yeah. It's like chasing butterflies too. What? Okay, SM out here like this. Wait a second. Wait, hold up. Like, I mess with it. I miss it. Oh, Carmen. Congratulations to Carmen for being the first Indonesian to debut under Big 3. Oh, congratulations, Carmen. I don't even know who's Carmen yet, but congratulations. I am fresh and new to this group. They are fresh as well. They just debuted. Official debut. Okay, my chat is saying official debut. The vocals are vocalizing. I'm just reading the comments right now. I love the way you love the chase. The chorus is addicting. It's something new, yet something to SM. Yeah, my God. This was nice. Great debut. Shout out to Hearts, H2H, The Chase. Thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you guys to the next one. All right, y'all. Peace out. Bye-bye.
Hey, you better subscribe.
While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.